Resisting arrest in Massachusetts means you're accused of interfering with a police officer's attempt to take you into custody, and this can happen in a variety of ways. It doesn't always have to be physical. Running away, pulling away when being handcuffed, or even verbally refusing or threatening the officer can result in a resisting arrest charge. Here's something important to understand. You can be charged with resisting arrest even if the officer should not have arrested you in the first place. Maybe the arrest was unlawful, or maybe you didn't do anything wrong. Unfortunately, that doesn't stop the charge from being brought against you if the officer believes you resisted. The question of whether the arrest was legal or justified will get sorted out later, but the fact that you resisted can still result in criminal charges. Resisting arrest is treated as a misdemeanor in Massachusetts, but the consequences are still serious. If convicted, you could face up to 2.5 years in jail and a fine of up to $500. And if any violence, injury, or weapons are involved, the penalties can be even more severe. It's also common for resisting arrest charges to be paired with other offenses, like disorderly conduct or assaulting a police officer, which can make the situation more complicated. Even if your reaction to being arrested was based on confusion or fear, Massachusetts law doesn't take resisting lightly. The important thing to keep in mind is that any form of resistance, whether physical or verbal, can lead to serious legal consequences, regardless of whether the initial arrest was proper or not.